Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast the Dish. Fellow competitive speaking. Naked Brand Group appears to be continuing the momentum to the downside. I want everyone to get prepared to, I'm not sure if you're left-handed or right-handed, but be sure to take your index finger on your mouse. Just kind of hover it over that report button as we're getting closer and closer to the markets continuing lower. So what we're going to do on this video is just pull up the same pattern that we have been following. I want to show everyone that the pattern is still perfectly intact. I'm not justifying anything. We're just going to go over some simple, interesting analysis. So stick around to the end. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, consider joining us. We bet the channel on this stock, saying that it will go to $5. We're going to get into details. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 15th, 2021, and the previous close of Naked Brand is going to be 55 cents. It's down approximately 2% for the day. Okay. All right, everyone, welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. So here are the weekly candles, okay, the larger time frames. Here it is. That's it. Super simple. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are witnessing on the screen is a very tight falling wedge pattern, okay? These are bullish patterns. I'm not saying this to justify anything. We are still invested. We have not added to our position yet, honestly. And what I would like to do is start adding to our position. I guess the closer it gets down to like 5.1 cents. I noticed that I listened back to some of our videos, and let's put lower time frames as we continue to spew. I talk so much, man. I noticed on our previous videos that we were saying that it could get down to 5.1 cents. I think we said 5.1. 51 cents up to like 59 cents. Okay, and I realized the last video said it was like 59 cents. Let's put a line on the chart. Yeah, it's definitely broken below 59 cents, guys. So yes, I realized I was going to give you guys a quick emergency update because this is a weekly or 3-day candle to close below that level. That's oof. It's not an ideal setup, but one of the things that I'm noticing is it's still within this pattern. It's still within the falling wedge pattern. I mean, can it get all the way tight in this area? I mean, you have to be open to that. Where does the level extend all the way down to? I mean, it goes all the way down to 39 cents. Can it go lower? Guys, I said this before. This stock can go to zero. Okay, just want to make sure that that's out of the way and get that out of my system. Now, I want everyone to also understand that we gave this a time frame all the way extended over to September 2021. Now, I realize the markets are just continuing to go lower. I mean, if you guys don't have a strategy, I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not sure what to say, guys. The only thing that I'm following is this pretty interesting pattern that the market is still perfectly within. This 3-day candle has, let's see, 1 day and 16 hours. So the new candle will open on April the 19th, 2021. So it appears that March the 16th will be the last day, the Friday of this week on this developing candle. So I'll give you the level just below the ascending line that has been acting, the descending line, sorry. Let's just erase this line for now. Super simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate. Don't put like a million lines on your chart. We're looking at one pattern on the screen here, okay? So the lower line of support, assuming that the market comes down to this level and assuming that it actually finds support. It's not guaranteed it'll actually find support, okay? It's going to be 0.49 cents, okay? So 49 cents just below the price there, okay? If it finds support there, then that's the technical explanation as to why. If it continues lower, then the trend is your friend until the end. This market is in an overall downtrend, okay? Let's be clear about that as well. If everyone, we just kind of back out and look at everything, you'll notice that, yeah, this Naked Brand symbol has been in an overall downtrend, very nasty downtrend. Yeah, it doesn't appear that it ever wants to stop. So just please understand that we are participating in a counter trend play. It's kind of like trying to go in the ocean and push back the water. I mean, that's a horrible explanation, right? But analogy, right? But we're betting against the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. We don't truly know whether or not the trend has ended, which the trend is down. Okay, really nasty downtrend. And this white line overhead represents the $5 level for those of you who are stopping in. We bet the channel. We said that if it doesn't get up to $5, we did say September 2021, but you can't hold us accountable for that. If it doesn't happen at that time, then no, you can't hold me accountable for that, guys. Yeah, so that's all I really want to let you guys know. 4.9 cents over the next 48 hours. I'll give you guys an update every so often so we can just kind of monitor this. And that's for the 3-day. Let's take a look at the weekly very quickly here. Close things out. Take for your time. All right, so the weekly and the 3-day will be closing simultaneously. So we'll have newly, freshly minted candles on April the 19th, 2021, okay? And that will reflect, that will hopefully still be within the falling wedge here. I realize the falling wedges, guys, they're meant to like be very painful to hold. Like, let's just say like you bought up in like the $1.40, $1.60 level, or even if above $1, like you're down on your investment. We're down on our investment. We didn't install like a lot of money in this, guys. We don't have a lot of shares in this, okay? We're never overexposing ourselves in this market, and we truly appreciate all of those who are out there exercising strategies, and you're not overexposing yourselves in these assets, okay? You're down like, what did I say, like 56% on your investment. So I realize that's not fun. That's not a fun thing to do, right? Hold on to an asset, a bleeding asset, okay? So realistically speaking, if the market is still going to be within this pattern, it's likely going to break out in either direction, to the downside or to the upside, within the next, realistically, the next 2 weeks. I mean, if it gets really tight within this range, I would be like super surprised. And that would just make the breakout that much more powerful. Remember, these are bullish patterns, okay? So I'm under the assumption that it will break to the upside if it's a bullish pattern. Okay, it will break up, and the price target is like $1.45, $1.50, even a little bit higher. Okay, if it breaks out to the downside, then let's just let the markets do what it's going to do, guys. Okay, if it breaks out to the downside, then I guess a practical level, let me just give you that lower level, because all of the levels that we've given you guys have actually already failed, right? The 59 cents and the 51 cents has not reached that level just yet, but this is also an alternative level. So I really don't like leaving like a million levels, guys. Let's do this. I don't even want to give you that level. Let's erase that. Let's keep it simple. 49 cents is the level by the Friday of this week. Okay, April the 16th, which is actually tomorrow. April the 16th on Friday. If the market is still above, it looks like 4.7 cents here on the weekly. So let's just say 4.7 cents. If we can get a close above that level, then everything looks fine to me. Okay. And of course, just let me know in the comment section. I'll give you guys a quick update on the Naked Brand Group. Is it Naked Brand Group? Yes. Naked Brand Group instrument symbol. Okay. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. And let me know that you guys, with a prayer hand in the comment section, that would let me know that you are actually executing your strategy out there and you're not overexposed in any asset, whether it's this one or any asset, okay? And that's it, guys. So also, if you're new, and hopefully we've earned your subscription here, we'd like to send you out alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. We cover that. Subscribe with us, and we'll send you that when it's available. And that's it. So take care of yourselves. Remember, execute your strategies. I'll say that a million times. Please do that. We're going to talk soon, and bye for now.